G'day, it's Craig from Australian Direct, and check out this little beauty. This is our 95 litre Outback Series dual zone 12 volt 240 volt fridge. It's built like a tank, metal and plastic construction. We've got some awesome features in here. We've got doors that not only open up one way, but two ways, and they can even come off. So if you're stuck with a situation where a normal fridge and its door won't work, we've got that covered for you. I mean, it comes with a full set of baskets, pack all your gear in. We've got the cigarette lighter adapter. Now, typical KickAss style, we've got our Anderson to Anderson connector for the 12 volt side. That's all thrown in. Obviously it's 240 as well. A set of instructions that no one will ever read, but they're in there anyway. It has a Secop compressor in it. It has Wi-Fi, so you can download the app and control the whole fridge via your mobile phone. So it doesn't get much easier than that. Head over to our website and check them out. Cheers.
If you like that video, make sure you click the like and subscribe button. And if you want to be notified of our new videos, make sure you click on the little bell that's just here. Thanks for watching.